Hi there, Douglas Baldwin, Doctor of Audiology and Senior Global Training Manager at Unitron, here to answer your questions about hearing loss and hearing aids. So today on Ask an Audiologist, we have an interesting one. Will hearing aids restore my hearing to normal? The answer to this question is actually no. Hearing aids cannot fully restore normal hearing ability or perception. And if you have permanent damage to your hearing system that's likely to progress further over time, hearing aids cannot prevent this. The hearing system is very complex, and something I used to say to my clients almost every day, we hear with our brains, not with our ears. What I mean is no matter how advanced the technology is, it still has to send the amplified sound through the ears at their current level of ability, which then send the information onto your brain for processing. It's kind of like if you had a really fancy hi-fi stereo system, but it's connected to not so great loudspeakers with fraying wires. No matter how good the output of the stereo is, the sound still has to come out of those loudspeakers. And while you could get new loudspeakers, you cannot get new ears. We have to work with your hearing at its current level of ability. But the good news is hearing aids can still help a lot. A reputable hearing care professional will have an amazing array of technologies available to find a solution that will significantly improve your hearing and understanding, even if it cannot fully restore things to normal. And appropriate amplification has been shown to lessen listening effort and fatigue, and promising new research suggests that it can even help delay cognitive decline. So if you are a good candidate for amplification, the sooner you get started, the better. Anything else on your mind? Send us your questions and we'll answer them.